Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one we have 2s. But we have the negative sign in here, so we need to keep the negative. Now, because we don't have the negative number 2, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. And now we have negative u du equals to s ds. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we put number 0 cone here. And now we can find the value of u. So u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 cone here. And we can find the value of u. So u equals to number 0. So number 0 we change for number 1. Number 1 we change for number 0. The square root we change for u. S ds we change for negative u du. Now we put the negative go to here. U and u we have u square. Now we have the formula in here. So we put number 2 gone here. So 2 plus 1, we have number 3. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 0. So we calculate this one and we have 1/3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.